Okay, I'm on my epic roll, and yes, you guessed it. Tornado goes right through it. My friend Tyler made the tornado. Gerald, you're in the camera.
Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta get some diapers for the baby.
No one needs to know that. Man, wait through that house.
Alright.
Oh my god. I'm kind of just sewing my roads.
Can you turn the volume down, please, though?
Yep, oh yep. Finally found the wood I was looking for. Ooch, 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 ooch. Ooch, ooch, ooch. And yes, I am Scottish Minecraft fan. This is my blacksmith. One but a cool thing. This is the stuff I sell. Yeah. Nothing diamond. Tyler guards the village. Pretty epic village. And so if you hear anything in the background, it's just my dad changing my sister. And if you were thinking how old I was, and why I feel so young, that's only because my name, or not my name, my age is just 8 years old. I play Minecraft. It's kind of weird. But all my friends are a huge fan. My friend Matthew, he told me what this game was. And so then I saw a video. It was 3 hours long. My friend Brennan came over, and bam, bam, bam. I told him all about it. Then we got iPads for Christmas, and we decided what we could do. We could play it on our iPads. Then we got a bed of frozen of us. And yeah, Minecraft Pocket doesn't. Oh my god. Yeah. That's the story of how I got on Minecraft. Pretty psycho. That's how. And no, I'm not even looking at the TV. I'm just looking at the screen of my iPad. Is that a zombie on the roof? I'm sorry, I just got that song stuck in my head. If you want to know what it is, it's What Does the Fox Say? It's a zombie. And if you want to be my friend on Xbox, someone hacked me, so I can't actually do it. But yeah, I can't actually do it. So yeah, and the reason I couldn't make a video for like a week is because I was actually grounded. Yeah, I'm not a smart guy. You guys might be thinking that. Well, I'm not. You're right. Oh God, I'm sorry, guys. I'm a kid. I was grounded for a week. What are the odds? It's Creeper. Creeper. You're gonna be in the video if you walk through here. Uh-oh. Explosions. Explosions. So many explosions. Pig explosions. What is down here? There's a dumb skeleton right there. I sing half of. You walk through here, you're gonna be on video. Man, but there you are on the video.
That's fine. No touch. No touch.
This has been going on for 13 minis. Don't let that sleep. Don't let that sleep. Hey, run for me now. Don't drop your weapon.
No.
Drop your weapon.
No.
I thought that was the ball. Ning, 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 ning. So yeah, if you want to be me or my friend's friend, my friend named Kyle is his game for Minecraft is that's a huge creeper. Is
Isn't she bored of like
Sewing Island 93. Sewing Island is 93.
Ball.
Calls himself Sewing his Island. My friend Brennan's name is Good God JC. And my name, Trick Question. No idea. My dad made it. Well, this big. Go get the paper that always stands at the end of the video. My dad's just getting me